What's up? So I've noticed a lot of people when I've been teaching a lot of beginners and when it comes to kickboxing and even my kids class when it comes to the striking, a lot of people are throwing their punches, they're either throwing them vertical, which is keeping the shoulder down, or they're throwing them horizontal, but again, their shoulders are down. The tips and tricks Thursday video for you guys today is I want you guys to throw that hand initially thumb down. And when you're throwing that hand thumb down, if you look, turn profile, look how it fixes all of this right here. It puts my shoulder up, it puts my elbow up a little bit. Everything is nice and high. And once you get comfortable with that, then you're gonna flatten that punch back out. You want this to turn into that. You don't want that. You don't want your jaw exposed. You wanna be able to throw that punch, thumb down, and then just turn it back once that structure is there. So again, if I'm throwing a punch at this punching bag, I throw my jab, I throw my cross. Jab, cross. Again, once you have that down, notice though, all of this is still up. And it's not just punching up, because again, this is all open. It's learning to punch and get that shoulder muscle to rotate up. And to do that, like I said, we just initially start punching thumb down. And then once you have that down, you can put that in your combinations. So I would say start with maybe like 100 jabs, 100 crosses, and then do 100 jab crosses. And then after that, so that's 100, 100, and 100, that's 300 punches. Once you have that done, then you can start flattening that punch back out, because you don't want to punch this way for boxing, okay? And you don't want to punch this way for boxing. You're going to break your pinky. So you want it flat. You want these two big knuckles to hit the target. But you want to have yourself, even if I punch low, I want to have this structure all nice and high. And then when Coach Eric Paulson teaches us this for MMA and for our kickboxing, our STX kickboxing, he teaches us to put our jaw on our collarbone, and then it basically just rocks from shoulder to shoulder. So when I throw this punch, and then I rock over to this punch. But again, that structure is all there. So you have all that down. So in the comment section, if you're one of those people that punch like this, you can go ahead and comment why we do that or why you guys do that. I know there is a time and a place for everything, but for beginners or for basic kickboxers, basic MMA fighters, and even basic boxers, you guys are gonna want that structure. Just throw it upside down for a little while. Once you have that down, then flatten that punch back out, but hopefully that structure will stay with you and also keep you and help you in sparring so you don't get punched in the jaw. It'll have everything kind of hidden. You'll be hidden behind your own punch. Cool, well that's it. Real short, real sweet. Hit the like button if you like the video. If you like the stuff you see in our channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're needing a workout, go ahead and check out the video, the heavy bag workout. It's a full 50-minute video, but it has everything you need for a good workout. We do upper body, we do core, we do legs. So if you're looking to get a good workout in, that's the video for you guys. All right, I'll put the card in the link above. You guys are awesome, stay safe, and this is JD, and I'm out.